For this experiment, we're going to be mixing cabbage juice and vinegar and seeing the reaction. To start, we're going to dilute the cabbage juice in a bit of water because it's pretty, needs to be diluted a little bit. So for the low amount, we're going to be using 5 milliliters of this cabbage liquid in 20 milliliters of water. So you can pour that straight in. In the medium amount, we're going to use 10 milliliters of cabbage liquid with 40 milliliters of water. Okay. And then with the high amounts, we're going to start with 20 milliliters of cabbage liquid and 40 milliliters of water to make that juice. All right. So we're going to measure our starting temperatures for each of them. For the low amounts, starting temperature is 20.9 degrees. For the medium amount, our starting temperature is 21 degrees, 21.0. And for the high amount, it's also 21.0 degrees. Okay. Next, for the reaction, we're going to pour vinegar in. For the small amount, we're going to pour 5 milliliters of vinegar in, and then I'm going to cover it with aluminum foil. Let's take a look. Here comes the vinegar. Foil. For the medium, I'm going to use 10 milliliters of vinegar. All right, and cover it with foil. And then for the high, I'm going to use 20 milliliters of vinegar. The medium was 10 milliliters of vinegar. The high is 20 milliliters of vinegar. That one gets pretty full. All right, and then we're going to measure temperatures. Cover that one up so we can measure the temperatures. Okay, so start the timer. 30 seconds. Start the timer. It's been about 30 seconds. So our first is about 21, our low is about 21.2 degrees Celsius. Our medium is about 21.1 degrees Celsius. And our high is about 21.2 degrees Celsius. All right, we're at about the minute mark. I'm going to swirl it around a little bit. Our low is at 21.2 degrees Celsius. Our medium is at 21.1 degrees Celsius. And our high is at about 21.2 degrees Celsius. All right, we're at the 1 minute and 30 seconds. Our low is about 21.3 degrees Celsius. Our medium is still 21.1 degrees Celsius. And our high is 21.2 degrees Celsius. At the 2 minute mark, the low is at 21.3. Medium is 21.1. And high is 21.2. We'll wait another little bit until we're at 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So at 2 minutes and 30 seconds, Our low is at 21.3. Medium is at 21.1. And our high is at 21.2. Okay, we're at the 3-minute mark. Our low is at 21.3. Our medium is at 21.1. And our high is at 21.2. Goes very full. All right, we're coming up to the 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Our low is at 21.4. Our medium's at 21.1. And our high is at 21.2. All right. Almost at the 4-minute mark. At 4 minutes, our low is at 21.5. Our medium is at 21.1. And our high is at 21.2. Okay. Now we're at 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Our low is at 21.5. Our medium is at 21.1. And our high is at 21.2. And then we'll have our last data point. Our last data point will be at 5 minutes. At the 5-minute mark, our low is at 21.5 degrees Celsius. Our medium is 21.1 degrees. And our high is 21.2 degrees Celsius. That's it.